In this video, we're going to be talking about Avalanche. We're going to be analyzing the price of Avalanche to see what price is doing and basically giving a technical analysis on Avalanche. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs, as well as that before investing into Avalanche. Please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking on a coin market cap, you can see Avalanche is currently up 3.83% at the time of recording, roughly trading around $77.3. It's looking good for Avalanche pretty much on the daily. You can see here that we were trading around $74 essentially at the start of the day, and then we did reach the lows of $72.5, and then from then onwards we did have a huge leg towards upside, reaching the highs of $80 essentially. And then from here, then price started to come back down. Looks like price is slowly coming back down. Hopefully we'll have a retest on this strong demand zone to see how price reacts when it comes there. But yeah, we will check on TradingView in a few moments. So yeah, you can see here that price pretty much did have a huge leap towards upside. You can see liquidity taken out here, which is really nice essentially to see prices starting to have a changing character, and we could possibly be seeing some bullish momentum coming through. So if we go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis, you can see here that the price is pretty much taken out, liquidated this high, and this high essentially, and then you can see your price is coming back down. We just need price to respect this strong demand zone. In my opinion, I feel like we could come back into this demand zone, and then from then onwards we could possibly even reach this high essentially, possibly even reaching the highs of $100, which would be really nice if we look into so yeah, you can see here that price did have a little you could say an accumulation schematic was played out essentially. Let me just put around this region. So yeah, you could say price did have an accumulation schematic play out, which pretty much caused the price to impulse. So you can see here that this is possibly the in fact, let me not say there. Yeah, you could possibly call it. So you can see that this is a selling climax, the secondary test, the secondary test and phase. Pretty much, you could call this a spring actually, because you see a nice little needle candle there, and then from here onwards, you could see that this is a retest, and then from here, a sign of weakness, and then essentially you could say that this was pretty much the whole impulse. I think this is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is overall bullish in the daily. You can see here that Bitcoin is looking very bullish. You can see here that we did have a distribution schematic, and then over here we had an accumulation schematic. I had pretty much predicted that price would come up here into this region. We're just going to have to wait and see on how price reacts. But currently it looks like it is forming another distribution, which isn't looking too good, but hopefully price can respect this, and we could possibly have another leg towards upside, causing the overall market to become bullish again. But if we go over to Avalanche to see what is happening with Avalanche, you can see here, if we even drop into the 5 minutes, you can see here that pretty much price is coming back down, essentially slowly coming back down. I feel like price will come back into this demand zone, and then we will have to wait and see what price does from then, as this is a very strong demand zone on the higher time frame, like the 4 hour. So yeah, if we quickly check on the daily as well, let me just remove the drawings. Yeah, you can pretty much see that price could possibly become bullish again. As you know, we did liquidate the weak buyers from this zone, and we did have pretty much a break of structure, and then we could possibly come back up into the region, and then we could possibly start reaching the highs of pretty much once we reach past the $100, then I feel like we would be in a strong bullish trend. But till then, we're gonna have to wait and see. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs, and peace.